Home workout routine for beginners, easy exercises to get started. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about an essential aspect of fitness, a home workout routine for beginners. If you're someone who is just starting out on your fitness journey and looking for simple exercises to help you get started, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll be covering easy exercises that you can do at home, without any equipment. Let's get started. Before starting any workout, it's essential to warm up your body. Start with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio exercises like jumping jacks, high knees, or butt kicks. This will help to raise your heart rate and loosen up your muscles. Squats are a great exercise to strengthen your legs and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, keep your chest up, and lower down as if you're sitting on a chair. Keep your knees behind your toes and push up through your heels. Lunges are another effective exercise to strengthen your lower body. Stand with your feet hip width apart and step forward with one leg, bending both knees to lower your body. Keep your front knee above your ankle and your back knee hovering just above the ground. Push back up through your front heel and repeat with the other leg. Do 3 sets of 10 reps on each leg. Push-ups are a classic exercise that works your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start in a plank position, with your hands shoulder width apart and your feet together. Lower down your body towards the ground, keeping your elbows close to your body. Push back up to the starting position. If you're a beginner, you can start with knee push-ups. Plank is an excellent exercise to strengthen your core muscles. Start in a push-up position, but instead of lowering your body, hold your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core muscles and hold for 30 seconds. Gradually increase the time as you get stronger. That's it for today's video on home workout routines for beginners. Remember to start with easy exercises and gradually increase the intensity as your body gets stronger. And don't forget to cool down after your workout with stretching exercises. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.